Hi beautiful people, this is Elizabeth, the Filipina girl next door. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome in. Today's video is about unboxing. We're gonna unbox this package that I have received yesterday from the Nail Addict. They did reach out to me and they asked me if I could use and review their product. I said, why not coconut? So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So without further ado, let's open this, okay? So we have the base, and then we have the top. Then we have the
White Addict.
White Addict.
We have Electric Red.
Electric Red.
Electric Pink.
Electric Pink.
Electric Yellow.
Electric Yellow.
Electric Green.
Electric Green.
Yeah.
So this is Mariah. She's my friend and she's gonna do her toes, and I already did my ugly hands. I already cleaned up.
Yeah, they also like bubblegum.
It's like nail polish.
It smells good. Yeah, they're nice enough to give me a heat lamp. So I did not realize that I have the peel off. I don't know if you can see it. It's the peel off. I don't know if I can use that as a base. I don't think so. And I just have the top coat, and I'm gonna use White Addict, and I'm gonna use the Red Electric. So let's do that. So the left one's done, so I'm gonna do the right one, okay? So we're gonna use the White Addict. Wow, beautiful. So I'm gonna paint the bottom too. So this is just the first coat. I like this electric red. I've never used a vibrant color on my nails, guys. So this is the first time. Hey, this nail polish is it promises that lasts for 4 weeks, but I'm very active. I'm gonna go back to work I think next week, so I don't know. So we will see how strong they are. Yeah, looks really nice. Alright, so we're gonna dry this and I'll be back, okay? So my lamp that Nail Addict sent me actually got broke. One of the stand, for some reason it fell on the floor and it broke one of the legs, so I went to Walgreens and grabbed a different one, and this is only like $11. And so I am putting this under the lamp for 2 minutes because that's what the nail polish bottle says. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint a second coat. So this is my second coat. It's not perfect. I'm gonna clean it later. I'm gonna do probably another coat and then top coat, and I'm gonna show that to you later. It says on the instructions you can do 3 coats to last 3 to 4 weeks. So I'll show you that later. Bye.
Don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let.
Hi guys, this is Elizabeth, the Filipina girl next door, and this is
Melanie, the Rakutera.
today's video is actually a reviewing of the product called Nail Addict. Nail Addict is actually a nail polish that's based in LA, so it is a US product. Last month I have received a email from them asking me if I could use their product and do a review. So we're using it. We're wearing it for almost 3 weeks.
Yep, 3 weeks, guys.
Yep. So we're gonna show you. Don't pay attention to my hands, but just the nails. We're gonna show you our nails.
Yes.
So Melanie, go ahead.
So this is a 3 weeks result already.
As you can tell, her nails grow really fast. You can
Yeah.
tell it's outgrown. But the nails itself is so strong.
Yeah. The gel really lasts longer compared to regular nail polish. So this is actually much more cost effective, girly, right?
Correct.
It will come out cheaper, and you don't have to do it all the time or like every week. If you're doing a lot of stuff, of course we're using our hands a lot of times, like what you're doing, girly.
Scrub the toilet.
Right.
Gardening. I just planted some flowers the other day with no gloves. Washing dishes.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't even wear gloves, and washing pots and pans. And I'm gonna show you this ring finger right here on my right hand. You can tell it has actually a little chip.
Very little though.
Very little.
Yeah.
For almost a month of
Yeah.
wearing this nail polish is not bad at all.
Exactly.
Not bad at all. The only problem we have on this is we use the little UV lamp. So it took us a couple hours to dry our
Right.
fingernails. So
Because I think we do it the first time. I mean, we're doing our nails. We go to the salon all the time. Like me back in the Philippines, like I do it twice or thrice a month because it's a lot cheaper doing our nails there. But here in the States, it will really cost us. So I think the gel nail is a way to go now. Especially us experiencing it that in 3 weeks times, it's still very
strong.
and intact. Look at that.
The product, they have a really good product.
But
Anyway,
yeah.
if you're here in US, girls, please support the US product. Keep our money here in US. This is not bad at all. It's really good. It's
Really good, yeah.
Melanie and I, we work so hard, especially in our house. We're not lazy. We are always like working.
Yeah.
Toward-
Using our hands.
Hands. That's why you can tell my hands are like a working hard hands.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are not pretty, but the nail polish makes it look
Pretty.
so pretty.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, if you order, they hook me up with a discount.
Oh wow.
If you go, yes, below the description, there's gonna be a link
How
of
much
their company.
you're gonna enjoy?
If you buy 2 or more, you get 50% discount.
What? I will be the first customer, I guess. I mean, I've tried it, but then I love it, so I'll
We're gonna try the glitter next time. We're so happy. Nail Product, thank you so much,
Thank you so
for
much.
hooking us up with your product.
Uh-huh.
Just want to let you know that we are happy
Happy customers, actually.
Yeah. So I hope you guys will like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up,
Subscribe
share, comment below,
and share the love.
share the love. So we'll see you guys later.
Thank you.
Bye.
Mwah.
Shh.
We lock eyes from across the room, and I feel like I'm about to explode. And I clench my hands tight, so I won't unleash it too soon. Give to me what I am owed, and I'll wrap you up, and we play hide and seek. And my heart rate climbs up above 130, and I wanna help you reach it, reach your peak. 'Cause you told me that you like to get dirty. You're dirty and I like that, when it's just for me. You're dirty and I like that, when no one else can see. You're dirty and I like that. This is what you deserve. Where do you get the nerve to try and break